How to track peak hours on DoorDash for faster delivery. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can track peak hours on DoorDash for faster delivery. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So the thing is, the peak hours for DoorDash are usually, meal times such as lunch or dinner. That is from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. or 4:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. for dinner. So these periods are generally, there is a lot of volume of orders, so there will be a lot of traffic. So that means that whatever you order at that time, you will be, getting your orders a bit late. So yeah, those are the peak times. So other than that, weekends, even evenings, that is late nights, especially on weekends, is really uh, you know high time as well. And also for special events, and that can hinder your delivery time. Other than that, you can utilize your Dasher app. You can schedule your dashes up to 5 days ahead. So yeah, you can simply find the store that you want, you can browse what you want to eat, and you can schedule it 5 days ahead to secure spots during peak hours. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.